Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's do the unboxing of the Vivo X200 Ultra smartphone, and it's a photographic kit edition. In this video, let me share you what are all in this photographic kit edition box and how to set up the photographic kit, and let me share the photographic kit edition samples, photo samples. If you bought a photographic kit additionally, you will get a 3 boxes. Now in this box, you will get a rope. You can attach this rope with this case only. And then in this box get here this case. This is a special case for a Vivo X200 Ultra photographic kit. So using this case only you can able to mount the teleconverter lens, and also in this case there is a stand. You can mount it in the landscape or in the portrait. So this is also really good, and also the case is really sturdy. In this box also, along with this case, you will get some of this ring converters. So you can use this for any other lens. Along with this case you will get this one more kit. It actually looks like a camera controls. Now moving on to this box. So this is the lens teleconverter box. In this box only you will get this teleconverter lens, and along with this lens you will get here this one more adapter. So this is a really good thing. You can attach this adapter with that lens, and the bottom there is a screws. You can mount this in the tripod, and after that along with the lens you will get a adapter here. Using this adapter only you can attach both the phone and the lens. And then now this is the Vivo X200 Ultra package. If you don't go with the photographic kit edition means, then you will get this box only. So inside this box you will get a Vivo X200 Ultra, and along with that you will get a super case. It comes with the red color. I am using the red color variant, and it's a 16GB 1TB variant. Now to set it up this photographic kit, this teleconverter lens to this Vivo X200 Ultra, mainly you need this case. Just to put this case to the Vivo X200 Ultra firstly, and next thing is that you need this lens, and mainly you need this adapter. And apart from that, these 3 adapters are mostly not needed. Actually by default this adapter already fixed into this camera area, so you have to remove this adapter. So here is a switch, so you have to just press and hold and rotate it, then you can easily remove this adapter. Now need to set it up this adapter here. In the adapter there is a red mark, and here is also red mark. Just align it and just place it like this and rotate it mildly. So you will get a click sound like this. So it is very important, you need to get that click sound. And if you want to remove means, again press and hold this key and rotate it mildly, and that's it. So in this way you can easily fix this one. And after that take the teleconverter lens, and there is a cap on the both side. So take out the cap. So then this is the teleconverter lens. Now to attach this teleconverter lens, so in the teleconverter lens there is a white color mark, and here also there is a white color mark. Just align with this white mark here and just rotate it in a clockwise. You will get a click sound. So it is also very important, you need to get a click sound. And to remove this converter, so here is also there is a button. Press and hold this button and rotate it in the anti-clockwise, and you can easily remove it. And during inserting, align with this white mark and rotate in a clockwise direction, and you will get a click sound. And that's it. Now we attach this teleconverter lens. And additionally with this setup you can attach these devices as well. And here is a Type-C port. You can directly attach this here. So just to hold it like this and just insert it here. So once you fixed here, you can see a switch, and here is a charging indicator. You have to press and hold this switch. Now it actually turned on. You need to charge this device using a Type-C cable. You can charge this device. Now this device is like camera control. So like here is a shutter button. While you press and hold, it actually lock the focus, and you can zoom it by like this. It's similar to a camera. And here is the exposure setting, and this is a video recording button. Mostly you can easily handle it single hand itself, but at the same time there is a more weight around this teleconverter lens, so you need to hold it more carefully and steady to get best photos. Once you attach the teleconverter lens, just to open the camera application. Now here just go right and click on the more option in the modes, and here is the option telephoto extender mode. So you need to click on this option, If you not go to that mode means, then you might experience the upside down picture. And one more thing is that if you bought it newly means, and if you are a first time using means, so you need to update this device to this version. I'm sharing the screenshot of the version. So you need to update the smartphone, then only you can able to get this telephoto extended mode. Now let's explore how is the photo quality on this Vivo X200 Ultra using this teleconverter lens. Well guys, now here is the zoom test. So after attaching the teleconverter lens, you will get the base equivalent focal length of 200 mm, and then there is a 400 mm, and then 800 mm, 1600 mm, and you can able to shot photos up to 5400 mm, which is the maximum zoom level. If you roughly calculate with the standard smartphone focal length 23 mm means, so it's almost 235x of a digital zoom when used with this teleconverter lens. Without the teleconverter lens, you can maximum zoom up to 2410 mm only, which is almost near to the 100x of a zoom level. So if you use a teleconverter lens, you will get an additional 100x of zoom. Now here is the output samples of all the photos we've taken now. So from 200 mm to 5400 mm. So now in this 5400 mm photo sample, you can see it actually shows 99.9x zoom level. But I think it's an error, because when you see this 85 mm image shows a 3.7x, and this 200 mm focal length is also shows same 3.7x zoom level. I think it not included that 2.35x teleconverter lens. Then now here is some more samples from 200 mm to 5400 mm. All these samples are really good. Mostly you can get best samples, best images up to 1600 mm. So if you go with a 3200 or a 5400 mm means, in a long distant images means, then it will be smoother or more softer, or sometimes looks like a painting. And also you need to be mount the smartphone in a tripod surely if you capturing a very long distant image means, because you will be get a more shakier images as well. So apart from that, up to 800 mm, 1600 mm are really good enough usable photos on this Vivo X200 Ultra photography kit. And surely there is a better clarity when you use a teleconverter lens. So now let's see this image. So this image is captured at 1150 mm without teleconverter lens, and now this image is captured at 1600 mm with the teleconverter lens. Surely you can able to see the difference between these two images. Now let's see the comparison between the 85 mm focal length and the 200 mm focal length photo samples. So the 85 mm is without teleconverter lens, and by using the default periscope telephoto lens, and the 200 mm is with the teleconverter lens. Both samples are optical images only. The 85 mm is a 3.7x optical zoom, and 200 mm is 8.7x optical zoom. So both the images are really good looking, and so even at the 3.7 times closer to the subject or 8.7 times closer to the subject, you will get a good quality and clarity images without more loss. Then using this Vivo X200 Ultra with the teleconverter lens, you can shoot videos as well up to 1100 mm around. So you can zoom to that level and you can take videos. So I taken some of the videos, so you can see the videos here. So you can take video from 200 mm, 400 mm, 800 mm, 1100 mm somewhere around. So the video quality is good enough up to 800 mm focal length. So this is just a first impression. So I'll try to explore more using this Vivo X200 Ultra photography kit. Well, that's it on this video guys, and hopefully if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.